Drop your egg right in there.
Okay.
And you're gonna take some bacon. We're just gonna cut a few pieces of bacon. This is actually gonna be a really healthy recipe. Veggies, yeah, we've got beautiful peppers here and onions. Let's chop up some veggies.
Okay.
And we're gonna add some veggies to this one. Peppers.
Red
All
peppers.
right, let's try some ham. Now, the reason why these are healthy is because they are low carb. They're not gonna have a lot of carbs. You guys see me do sweet stuff all the time. Well, now we're gonna do something healthy. Veggies.
That's the proper way to cut the onion.
I think it works, right? What would you put into your veggie cups? They're really popular. And just slice the tip. Just like that. You don't need the whole thing. You could also add some beautiful spinach if you really want to make this healthy.
No, that's gross.
It's gonna bake so quickly. But I do need some cheese. Would you grab me some cheese, please? Yep.
Cheese is in the fridge. I can get that for you. All right, there we go. Ooh, mild cheddar cheese. All right, there you go.
Beautiful. All right, so we've got some bacon and peppers and onions and tomatoes, ham. Now we're gonna sprinkle some cheese on top of each one. Just a little, you don't need too much. Perfect. And now we're gonna add just a little bit of butter. 1 pat of butter.
Each one gets whole pad.
Yep.
Interesting.
Each one. And we'll go right here. And now we're gonna add some more egg right on top. I've got one in there already. We're gonna drop one
So
more.
each one, it's like a 2-egg thing. Boop.
Boop.
All right.
Boop. And you gotta make the noise.
Boop. All right.
Boop. Now, these are customizable. It can be whatever toppings you want.
Right.
These are the ones that I have chosen
I want the
today.
bacon one.
You want the bacon one?
Yeah, that looks so good.
All right, now guess what, guys? That's it. You could add your seasonings, pop it in the oven, and these are gonna be done in no time. The fun thing is that we're gonna be able to peek in the oven and watch it as it cooks.
Ooh, I can't wait to see this cook.
And while that is cooking, I've got something really fun I'm gonna show you. We're gonna continue with the healthy theme, but I need a banana.
Banana?
They're in the fridge.
Oh, I saw those. There's in the
Yeah.
fridge right here. All right. A second trip to the fridge with bananas. All right, there they go.
I think we'll go ahead and use 2 eggs for this one.
Okay.
All right. We're gonna take our banana and we're actually gonna mash it up with the egg.
Okay.
Get that part off. Those parts are gross. I don't like to
All
eat
right.
those.
So that's weird.
Yep.
All right.
We're gonna go ahead and mash this up and then add our oats. Now, this is actually a real recipe. Many people use it whenever they're maybe, trying to eat healthy. You can put protein powder in there and make a banana pancake using that.
Looks weird.
I know, but it's actually gonna form a beautiful pancake. And I like to put a little bit of oats. You could put the oats in the waffle. I'm sorry. You could put the oats in the blender and make oat flour if you want to.
Okay, but we're not doing that. We're just
Nope,
put
we're
the
gonna
oats
just make this. The name of the game is quick and easy and simple. So you just have a mashed up banana and an egg. And
All right.
we're gonna use a 1/4 cup of oats.
Okay.
And this is going to form a really simple, healthy pancake. This is gonna go right into our waffle iron.
Can you call it a pancake if there's no pancake batter?
Yes, people do it all the time. This needs vanilla extract.
Okay, vanilla extract.
Just a little bit. And some cinnamon and sugar.
Oh, they like cinnamon.
Look at that.
Okay.
So this is actually gonna be really good. Are you gonna try this one?
I don't know. We'll see how it turns out.
You gotta trust me. This is a good one. Now we're gonna spray our waffle iron.
All right. Yay.
So that it
Good old
doesn't
waffle irons back out.
And by the way, guys, we will be reading all the comments. So let us know in the comments what you think. Think this is a great idea? Let me know. If you think it's a terrible idea, let me know. What would you put? What ingredients would you add to this? Chocolate
Well, I
chips,
would put,
blueberries. Check on our eggs, by the way. Look at, they're
look at
almost
that.
done.
Look at
I'm gonna
that.
just pop it open to let you get a nice preview. See how fast these eggs cook?
Yes, it smells so good too.
That's coming out of the oven any second now.
Great.
And this is gonna be done very fast.
All right.
So here's our
put it in. Here we
banana,
go.
banana egg oat pancake.
All right.
I think that's about enough. Did I do good?
Yeah.
Pretty good guess there.
All right.
Okay, so this is gonna cook in no time.
Two.
Okay, our banana oat waffle is ready. I told you.
Wow, it actually looks
like
good.
a waffle. And I'm gonna see if I can get underneath there. Look at that, you guys.
Wow.
Isn't that beautiful?
That looks good.
Now, this is actually really healthy. If you want to continue with the healthy theme, you could add some sugar-free maple syrup
Okay.
right over the top. And all this is oats, banana, little bit of cinnamon and sugar, and eggs. This is
And vanilla extract.
yes, the vanilla extract too, which is optional. The eggs are done cooking. I can't
Right.
wait to get these out. Now, the great thing about these,
Come on, pull them out.
ouch, nope, can't do it. I tried. I thought that they would be cool enough, but they are not.
All right.
Okay, keep them going. I'm actually gonna take these out. Now, what we've got here is ham, peppers, hot dogs, all kinds of beautiful veggies, and I've got some butter in there too. But if you really want to make this super healthy, the butter's optional. You can
Okay.
leave the butter off and just do veggies and eggs, or even better yet, egg whites.
All right. Well, let's see it. Pull it out.
So we're gonna actually take a couple of these and pop them out. And I love using these silicone muffin liners because they just make this so easy.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna just turn them upside down. What do you think?
Okay. Try it.
Okay. And so that one is a veggie one.
Oh, is it going to be like a couple? We're going to take the top off.
Yep,
Big
yep.
reveal.
Boom.
All
And
right.
then this one I believe is
Yeah, the bacon one.
is this the bacon one?
Yeah.
That's the bacon one.
Okay,
This is the bacon one.
All right. Let's try it.
Now, you could put whatever ingredients you want in there. Make it as healthy as you want. Look at how
Look
beautiful
at
that is.
that. And you put a little salt and pepper on the top
Uh-huh.
of that.
Okay, now
and
this
cut
is the
'em
moment
open.
of truth. And you see the steam's coming off. They
Oh,
really
yeah.
did just cook.
Yes.
I'm gonna slice it in the middle. Now, the good thing about this is that if you want runny yolks, you could do that. But right now, these are beautifully cooked.
Look at that.
Yep. Look at that. There's your hot dog. Add some salt and pepper. Put these in the freezer, and they're good for weeks.
Cool.